Hi there! Welcome to your dose of tech news. Today we have a lot to talk about, starting with Intel's 12 and 13 Gen desktop CPUs. Samsung is using AI to design their chips and more. So sit back and enjoy. We could be taking control, Intel 12 and 13 Gen desktop power consumption numbers have been leaked. The exclusive leaks shared by Igor's lab share some surprising informations. If you were hoping for some chilly CPUs from Intel, you are going to be somewhat disappointed. Intel will have lower power limits for the 13 gen compared to the 12, but they are still massive, 314 watts. It is a neat improvement from 359, but considering the CPU has also little cores, it's no bueno. Luckily this is all core, but I have more bad news. The short duration power limit, which means single core usage, is increased to 253 watts from 241 watts. It's not that big of an increase, but it's still bad nonetheless. You might say, no problem, I'll slap a big cooler on that thing and call it a day. You are right, it will probably be fine, but this is on desktop. On mobile, you can do that. Considering AMD's mobile lineup, Intel it's in hot water. T-Mobile is investigating a data breach. No big deal, right? It can't be that bad. Right. Okay. It doesn't look good, but it's still okay. Let's see what info was in there. Phone numbers, physical addresses, and unique IMEI numbers. You know what? It's not that bad. Oh my god, social security numbers and driver license information. The info is already on dark web and the seller is asking just 5 bitcoins. What a deal! But no worries, T-Mobile is aware of, and I quote, claims made in an underground forum and is actively investigating their validity. End quote. Yeah, convincing stuff. Anyway, Google has got your back. Chrome is further increasing the privacy of incognito. Now incognito tabs can be locked, so no one can see what you beat your meat to without your knowledge. Speaking of Google, images of the Pixel 5a 5G have been leaked. Apparently, repair shops are preparing for its launch. The layout seems to be similar to the 4A. The source says the back is a little more rubbery, so if you want a grippier phone, this might suit you. You can also see the headphone jack hole, so if you are using wired headphones, you can stop carrying that stupid dongle. We also got a picture of the battery. Its rated capacity is 4680 mAh, which is huge compared to the 4A. That phone had 3900 mAh. If the leakers are accurate and the price is 450, this is a killer deal. We'll have to wait and see. Lamborghini announces a new hybrid Countach for its 50th anniversary since its debut. There will be 112 made that are probably already sold, so if you had $3 million laying around, you can't buy one. Last but not least, Samsung is apparently using AI to develop its processors. The AI is made by Synopsys, and if you don't know who they are, it's fine. I never heard of them until now. The software is used by many companies besides Samsung, so it seems pretty legit. We don't know what chips, if any, are made using this method. The use of AI requires a lot of computing power, but if I was to make an educated guess, this will be common practice in the industry in the next 5 years. Synopsys claims the AI improved the performance of a chip by 15%. We don't know what chip they are talking about, but hey, free performance is free performance, and I'm happy with it. This is all for today. Come back on Monday for a new episode. Have a great day!